Want to score the perfect brow look for 2022? Here's how you do it. Hi everyone, I am Carrie Ingram, aka Glamonista08 here online, and today we are going to be talking about the most important part of your face. At least to me. Eyebrows. Your eyebrows are an expression into your soul, and they also frame everything else that you put on your face on a daily basis. And I really like doing brows and finding really good brow products because sometimes it's all you really need. If you're in a rush, you have 1 minute to get ready, just fill in your brows and you look good and you're ready to go. So today I'm going to take you guys through my simple, easy, everyday brow routine using a product from eCosmetics, and I absolutely love this. This is the Benefit Cosmetics Precisely My Brow Pencil, and we're going to be using just this product today to get the perfect brows to frame your face, and you can get this right here from eCosmetics. So let's get into this. So this brow pencil is awesome because it also does come with a spoolie brush, so you get 2-in-1 product. You have a brush on one side and then you have the pencil on the other. This is retractable, so you don't have to worry about sharpening it, and it is super sharp and dainty, which I love in brow pencils because it can really help you to create a defined brow, but also one that looks natural. First thing that I will recommend is always using a brow product that is slightly lighter than your actual hair color. I have black hair that's pretty dark, but if I use black brow products, it's game over. Okay, it's pretty scary. I'm going to be using the number 5 in this pencil today, which is the second darkest color, and this is more of like a dark chocolatey brown. So the steps are pretty simple in terms of filling out and creating a natural brow. I encourage you just to follow your natural brow shape, but these same instructions work no matter what that shape is. Step 1 is to underline your brow. Don't go too low, just stay within the brow hairs. That is the trick here, but I always draw an underline for each of my eyebrows to kind of outline where the product is gonna go. After you have your underline, the next thing is to overline, and I say this in quotes because you're not going above the brow hairs for this, you're staying inside these brow hairs. And you're not going to start from the innermost corner, you're going to start about 1/3 of the way in of your brow for the top, so that way it can really create that natural look. And something to note here is that as you're filling in your brow, you don't want the inside of your brow to go past the center of each nostril. I used to go a little further in. Scary Carrie it was. So you can use other facial features as a guide for how you fill in your brow. Now once you have your outline, it's super simple from here. All you're going to do is take this brow pencil and hold it about the center of the brow pencil if you want a regular application, and hold it closer to the tip if you want a stronger, bolder brow. But you're going to be creating short hair-like strokes from the outer half of your brow, I guess the half to the outside. You're going to create short hair-like strokes in the direction of hair growth to fill in this area, and this will be your most condensed area. And as you're filling in, you would then use the spoolie to blend out the color, make sure everything's looking nice and smooth. And then once you get to the inner corner, you're going to hold your pencil halfway further than you were. So if you're holding it all the way up here, you're going to move your fingers down here, and if you're holding it here, you're going to move it down here. I know this might seem really silly, but the way you hold your products really matter because it determines the application, and you want the inner corner to be a little lighter and softer than the rest of your brow so it looks like a natural fade and blend. So holding it further away will allow you to get the softest strokes and create little tiny hairs as opposed to a block of color. And again, if you apply too heavily, you can always go back to their spoolie and use this to blend out. Once you have a nice blended brow, you're just going to do it on the other side. You can see the difference between a brow that's not filled and one that is. It makes a huge difference even if you have pretty full brows like myself. But once you do this, this is all you really need and your brows are good. You're more than welcome to set it with some type of setting gel, but honestly, this really all you need. So those are my quick and easy steps on how to get a perfect everyday brow for your face to frame the rest of your makeup, or to frame the rest of your face if you're not going to wear any other makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Again, check this out. I really love thin eyebrow pencils like this one by Benefit, and you can get this again from eCosmetics. It's definitely worth checking out. This is a really great product, lasts a long time, and it's really easy to apply. So go show them what your brows are made of, okay? Bye guys.